Alright, back at it again. These are some part numbers here, namely this one. Sorry I haven't done an update, but I about cut my finger off there. It's pretty gross, but it's healing pretty nicely. This is the Wix filter for the deep pan. It's the one that has the little kick at the bottom of it. I'm doing another filter kit and everything because I had a code, but I got rid of it. It was a hard code, and I'll post what that was, you know, because that must have been what was messing up on my trip. But basically, solenoid here. Let me put you up on a mount here. Getting fancy. Got mounts and stuff now. Alright. This is your TCC solenoid that you can't see because I hope that you can see that. And don't worry that it has oil in it. It spends its whole life in oil. It's to lubricate O-rings and stuff. I got a lot of people at part stores asking me that, saying, "Oh no, it's used." No, it's not, genius. They gotta keep it lubed up. So we got some of this stuff. We're gonna give it a shot. There's also a fix-all product that I'm gonna show you that it's supposed to fix some of this stuff too. So these are the speed sensors, inputs and output speed sensors. It said that it's a combination of getting the wrong signals. I'm not sure if I'm going to change these yet or not. I don't have to worry about, a bunch of fluid popping out, I don't believe, with these. So they're not top priority because they're the easiest, but they're not very expensive. Standard, BWD, all the same company now. Sorry, I don't know which one's input output, but we're gonna do these, and I was gonna show it to you later. So have fun on Amazon trying to get these, because they have them and they show up quick, especially if you're here in Florida where it's 1,000 degrees today. I had originally ordered this one, 95 to 2000. I was like, okay, my Silverado is a 99, but the problem is that 99 to 02 is my body style, not 88 to 98 body style. Even though 88 to 98 body styles were still produced until 2002, and 2500 bodies and stuff for government and stuff, city worker trucks and stuff like that. So I never ended up returning it back to Amazon because when I got this, I realized that doesn't bode well, the 95 to 2000. So 99 to 03 non-canvas setup. I'm not going to pretend like I know what that means. I don't. But this is essentially, there's the code. I don't even have to repost it. Look at there. P1870 sloppy lockup condition. Well, that's something that I'm having. When I'm going down the road at 50, 60 miles an hour, if I go to hit the gas, just to speed up just a little bit, not to be a dickhead or anything like that, it shudders and it doesn't really want to go anywhere. It's like it's falling on its face. I have no check engine lights or anything like that. but this code was hard locked into the history of my truck whenever it was shifting really bad in Daytona Beach. When I got off of 95, I mean, it was fine on the highway. I didn't notice anything, obviously, because I'm in overdrive the whole time, just cruising in cruise control. Um, but that's, I hope, I'm gonna put it, yeah, I'll put it this way. Maybe you can get a little bit of information what they say. There's their QR code. Or no, that's, I was looking through the thing. I thought it was a QR code. But there is a distinct difference between these. That's their part number there. For my truck, it's a 4L60E. It's a 1999 with the 4.8. It's not the 5.7s and 5.0 bodies. But there is a distinct difference between the two. One's a hell of a lot longer. And I saw on the Amazon setups comments that people are having issues with, oh, mine's not long enough, or it seems too long and they just cut it off and stuff like that. So I said, screw it, I'll hold on to these two, and whichever one doesn't fit in there, well, I guess that's what I'll be doing. So it's as simple as popping out a clip and putting this fucker in, I guess. So we'll give it a shot and, you know, keep you guys posted. I know a couple of you left some comments asking some questions. I mean, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just I'm a parts changer, and if it's something I think I can do, I'll go ahead and give it a shot. And like I said, since I'm in here, that's the reason why I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it, because they say even on other YouTube channels, I'm sorry I don't have their names or anything, but just little cursory searches, most of the guys are like, if you're gonna test this to see if it's bad, you might as well change it, because you're already there and they're not overwhelmingly expensive. I think it's like 30 bucks for this, 15, 20, 15, 20. I mean, these things were, I want to say, they're less than $20 for this thing, and what it does is it shoves in there, and I guess as it moves, it lets fluid pass it. So there's a couple really good explanation videos out there, guys that know a lot more than I do about this, you know. So we'll give it a shot and see what an outcome gives us. So just a little update. I hope that helps, guys. Have a good one.